Hey everyone, my name is Kevin and I'm the COO of Oneclass. As I'm recording this video, I hope all of you out there are staying positive and you're staying healthy. We've all been home now for a couple of days and it's likely that schools aren't going to open anytime soon. A lot of the teachers who we work with have been coming to us in the last couple of days and they've been asking us, how can we get our classes online? Well, today I want to talk about one of the services out there that can help you do just that. In just a few short minutes, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your own Zoom account, connect with your students, and schedule a regular time to meet with them every single day. Step 1. Go to the Zoom website, put in your email, and click on Sign Up. So once you've created your account, you'll see something like this. This is your dashboard. So let's get started on creating our first class. Click on Meetings on the left-hand side and click on Schedule a new meeting. From here, let's just use an example. Algebra 1. And you can set when the class happens every week. So click on here to set the date, time, and if it's a recurring meeting, meaning that it repeats every single week, you can check this off and select options here. For registration, this is if you would like your students to register for the class. You can also check it off here, and once they register, they'll be able to attend all of the weekly sessions. Once you're ready, you'll be able to hit Save. This is what it looks like after you've created your first class. You can see here that there's a registration URL. For this link, you can simply email it to your students and they'll see something like this when they click into it. So this is listing all of the upcoming classes for them, and they can simply sign up by inputting some basic information and hitting register. Now if we scroll to the bottom, you'll be able to see how many of your students have registered. If any of them have not yet registered, you can also send an automatic email to remind them. Now, one really neat feature about Zoom is that you can set it so that your sessions are automatically recorded. We know that a lot of students and parents might be busy, so in case they're not able to make it to your class, you can actually share the recordings with them. And to do this, just click on Recordings, and you'll be able to share any of your sessions with your students through a link, or you can download the file and email it to them. So once you've finished downloading Zoom and logged in, you should see something like this. Let's go ahead and test it out. Click on Start New Meeting. And from here, just click on Share to start sharing your screen. Now, all of your students will be able to see exactly what's happening in this window. I know some teachers out there, they like to use illustrations and draw graphs. There's also a whiteboard feature too. To do this, click on Whiteboard and click on Share. From here, you'll be able to start drawing and writing. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to set up your online class on Zoom. To all of the educators and teachers out there, I just want to take this time to say thank you for helping all of our students stay engaged and learning throughout these school closures. These are certainly challenging times for many educators out there, and we all are trying to do our best to minimize the interruption to student learning. If you're a teacher or an educator and you'd like to learn more about how we can help you with transitioning your classes online, please feel free to visit oneclass.com or send me an email at kevin@oneclass.com. Thank you and stay healthy.